Understanding Wearing a New Hat, a Guide to English Idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, wearing a new hat. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's actually a colorful way to express a very common situation. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, wearing a new hat, doesn't refer to putting on an actual hat. Instead, it's a metaphor. In English, when someone says they're wearing a new hat, it means they are taking on a new role or responsibility that is different from what they usually do. It's like imagining yourself wearing a different hat for each role you play in life. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. At work. If your boss, who is usually in charge of marketing, starts handling finance, you could say, "Looks like our boss is wearing a new hat these days." 2. In personal life, if a parent starts learning to cook to help around the house, you might comment, "Mom is wearing a new hat as the family chef now." These examples show how this idiom can be used to describe various situations where someone takes on a new role. The idiom likely comes from the past when people wore different hats for different professions or roles. For instance, a chef wore a chef's hat, a judge wore a judicial wig, and so on. So, changing hats meant changing roles. When you use wearing a new hat, remember, it's best used in informal settings. Ensure the context is clear so that the listener understands the metaphor. It's a playful and creative way to describe changes in roles or responsibilities. Wearing a new hat is a great example of the colorful and imaginative nature of English idioms. It's a fun and engaging way to describe someone taking on a new role. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.